Yeah. Okay, bye.
Hi, I'm Brett Twiggs, sales engineer at StorageCraft, with this StorageCraft tech tip. Let's look at setting up a HeadStart Restore job. HeadStart Restore is a great way to set up a VM in those cases where you want to have something kind of pre-built and ready to go in case your server fails. So let's take a look at how to configure this job. With HeadStart Restore, I'll go into my Image Manager product and select the folder that has the backup image that I actually want to create the job for. I'll go down here to HeadStart Restore and click on Create a New Job. And then I can go in and actually give it a name and choose the type of virtual disk, whether I want to do a VMware or a Hyper-V disk. I'll also choose the location where I'd like to place that. Is it on the local drive of this server, or is it on a network drive, or is it on an ESX or ESXi server? Let's actually choose a network drive. And so I'll go in and choose the location, or even add a new location for where this will be. I'll put the name of the server and also the share that that server is on, and any credentials that are needed to authenticate to that share. Once that's done, I can go in and set the lag time. The lag time is where we'll make sure and stay back just a little ways and not add every incremental to this job. HeadStart Restore is going to trickle the incrementals into this virtual disk on an ongoing basis, but it'll make sure that it stays back and doesn't add every one of them in case there's some corruption. And at the very end, you can go ahead and finalize, add those last couple incrementals, and then bring up your VM. The next thing we want to do is go in and choose which volumes we want to restore. If I go into my HeadStart Restore volumes, I can see that I have a backup image here for my C volume, and so I can go ahead and select that and say OK. And it'll start creating a virtual disk based on that backup chain. With Shadow Protect, it's just that easy.